back to this, I believe it's 125 or 150 cc's. I might be wrong. Anyways, so we got the carburetor cleaned out. I know it doesn't look that much clean, but we only cleaned it out from the inside. And we put a inline fuel filter. And I believe that's it. So we're fixing to do the initial startup right now. And so I got the battery connected already, or the jumper to it. So we're gonna do and it's a push start day. So anyways, oh yeah, look at that. Put it in gear. Neutral. Alright. There's the indicator light, that's in neutral. Horn. Alright. And you got lights. You got no lights. That did no good. Brakes. Well, the brakes are gone. The reservoir is fucked up. I mean, it's messed up. Excuse my language. I'll probably put a coin in it with some epoxy. But yeah, so she's good. Alright, right back. I gotta fix this bolt that's sticking out right here. It's protruding out this way. I gotta push it back out that way. I gotta find a nut for it. Once I find a nut for it and find everything down, so I'll be back.